Hello, welcome to ZK Tutorials. This interactive and trending course is designed to provide students essential skills and knowledge required to effectively use Adobe Photoshop, a powerful image editing software. Throughout the course, students will learn the fundamental tools, techniques, and workflows used in Photoshop to enhance, manipulate, and create stunning digital images. By the end of this course, students will be equipped with the necessary skills to confidently navigate the Photoshop interface, perform basic image editing tasks, and unleash the creativity through various design projects. The course duration is 5 hours, and our course objectives are: understand the purpose and capabilities of Adobe Photoshop, navigate the Photoshop interface and customize it to individual preferences, learn essential selection techniques to isolate and manipulate specific image areas, master image retouching techniques to enhance and correct photographs, explore various image adjustment tools to modify brightness, contrast, color, and more, understand the concept of layers and leverage them for non-destructive editing, create and manipulate text to incorporate typography into designs, utilize brushes, gradients, and patterns to add artistic effects to images, learn techniques for working with masks to control image visibility, complete interactive design projects to apply the acquired skills. So now let's get started.